Yeah guys, so you know Deviant Taste Bud is here again with one more spot that I found. Yeah man, so we are in Mannings Hill Road. Yeah man, so I find this beautiful spot where we can come and dine. Yeah man, you know, you can play all your domino settings and all them things there. Yes man, it's a beautiful ends a fine one. Yes guys, so like I said guys, I am on Mannings Hill Road. I'm going to let you see outside of the road that I am talking about to head right to this restaurant. Yeah, just beside a supermarket named Super Value Supermarket. Yeah man, so you know you come to the supermarket and want something to eat, you don't have to worry yourself, you just come straight into we call this place Mommy's Del's Hideout. Yes man. So when you come right here, so you just go upstairs and find a nice little spot where you can have your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yeah man, so like I said guys, we're on Mannings Hill Road. It's a beautiful place up there, so great, yeah man. So I only pass spot right off in here, so man, we against some little things. I'm gonna find out what else in here. You have also bar settings too. Yeah man, but like I said guys, I'm gonna share the today's menu is all on this board. So we're gonna find out what you do in the morning right now, what you prepare for us in the morning. Yeah man. So yeah guys, I'm at Pancho's restaurant up by Mannings. Yes, that's Mannings. Yes man, so that is up by when you go Red Hills and then go the hills, they call it Mannings. So Mannings, yeah, so this is Pancho's restaurant. Yeah man, beautiful settings man, so little I am upstairs. Yes man, I am upstairs. You see, I feel a cool breeze blowing through. So I'm going to show you the name Pancho's restaurant over here. See it right here? Beautiful Pancho's restaurant. Yes man. So we're going to go inside and find out what you do for breakfast settings in the morning. Yeah man, so I also do lunch. Yeah, I also do lunch. Yeah man, so I see quite a few people come in this morning and leave, so you can start business going on well right here. Yes man, so that's Pancho's restaurant. And them have them bar settings to and all them things, you know, so we're gonna find out that they do a domino. They come from work with all your friends on a Friday and want someone to go hang out. This is a beautiful lens inside right there. Yeah, I'm gonna show you man, I'm gonna show you inside the place. Yes, to see the beautiful settings of the bar settings and the tail. Yeah man, and the beautiful flowers for the table. It's a vibes. Yeah man, so you know, so we're gonna bring my friend them other place to come, you know, to have some little domino game and them little thing there, man. Yeah man, a good little place to come and hang out with your friends them man. So like I said, Pancho's restaurant. So with further ado, we're going inside and find out what I'm doing in the morning or so now, you know. So we're gonna look where we're going to Pancho's restaurant right now. Yeah. Yeah man, so I go inside at the kitchen. And so we're going to all those finger licking at the place. Yes. So I'm gonna show you the bar settings right now guys. So when the little bartender come in, we have a talk with her, but for now I'm just gonna show you the settings right here. Wow, see here. Yeah man, so a person that will drink, you know, and I'm so happy the music not really turned on yet. Yeah, them have them music box right here. Yeah, we're gonna find out when them go up on Friday, man. Yes, man, and they must have them domino to it. Yeah, man. Bar setting and the fridge right over here. Little, yeah, see there. So all the drinkers know what I want. Yeah, man. Nice settings. Wow, beautiful man. Yeah, that's it. Yes. I don't like it. So, alright. 27 years and cold. Nice. I like it cold. Yeah, not cold. So, where can you do? German. Hey guys, so I'm entering into the kitchen right now, so I'm going to let you see what's going on inside of the kitchen right here. Wow, yes man, so you have to be a real chef to understand the heat, you know, you understand me, yes, like, alright, you know, if I got adjust myself to the heat, and yes guys, I'm up on my ear net and all them thing there, so we're going to be the beautiful chef in the morning right now, doing him finger licking, so I go on and make you beat the man them call him Pancho, yeah man, so we have Pancho restaurant, you understand, I don't know if I pronounce it right, you know, Pancho or Panchos, you know, you understand, I make him tell you what I go and steal in the morning, so you know, so they even taste what is in the kitchen, we have the finger licking. Yo, man, not teeth no chicken to them, man. Not teeth no chicken to them, so Pancho good. Because the teeth things smell good in the morning, man. Yes, man. So, guys, we can meet the one called Pancho. Yes, man. Yeah, Pancho, so what go on? Yeah, so this is a great Pancho right here in the morning, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so this is the man called Pancho.
Yeah.
So we want to know when the Pancho come there early and see what go on in the kitchen, you know. So,
they come on the breakfast almost all done.
Almost done.
We have curry chicken.
Curry chicken?
Yeah, man, we have a curry chicken, man.
Right over
we
here.
have a curry chicken.
Wow, beautiful curry chicken,
yeah? Man, we have some salt mackerel rundown.
Salt mackerel rundown.
Man, salt mackerel rundown, man.
See there? Now, but you say you have the little dumpling and banana and yam.
Yeah, man, you get all your plantain.
Nice.
Yeah, man, yam, dumpling, banana, everything.
So now pot over here, so we have.
Man. These are some peas we have boiled for
lunch.
Big pot, lunch.
Yeah,
man. Yeah.
Oh, so lunch start already too.
Lunch start already, man.
Yeah, man. So Pancho,
me have pigtail, so these stew peas.
Pigtail.
Yeah, man. Boil out the salt out of it. You see it? These stew peas.
Great.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so we have the peas and the beef are boiled.
I'm going to boil same time.
Yeah, man. So the time when it's ready now, we just put everything in a one big pot.
One big pot.
Yeah, man.
Wow, I love to see the big pot in my kitchen too, man.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah,
so Pancho, let me ask you a question now. So, you know, say when we Jamaicans say breakfast, you know, most of the time some man do egg and bread sandwich. You understand? Egg and bread sandwich and all that thing. Yeah, what you do, egg and bread and everything there?
Alright. We have start soon out some egg and bread and some sandwich and burgers and them thing there.
Nice. Because people come and ask that.
Yeah, man, people ask it, man, because sometimes people want something light, them don't want something too heavy in the morning. So I start with some sandwich, man, and some burgers, and we have the fries, chicken and the fries and them thing there. Done to order. Fish done to order. Yeah, man.
So what about like porridge and all them things? We love asking porridge, you know.
Porridge, alright. We're not too bench off now the porridge yet, you see me?
Oh.
We don't know what the future bring.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. So what about the good old coffee tea?
Coffee? Yeah, man, you come and get the coffee, man.
Coffee in the morning,
yes. The kettle, I would just put in some water.
Yeah, man, see man kettle. Good old kettle.
Yeah, man, you get Milo tea.
tea.
Milo coffee.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah,
nice.
Man.
You know what kind of thing you love, Pancho? Alex tea.
Alright. I'll get that back for you next time.
Nice, Pancho. So, you know, for the first time I come and link, you know, I see a beautiful lady, you know, so I guess that's your wife.
Yeah, man.
That's your wife. You so meet her, see over there, watch between her with her shy self there. Yes, man. Yeah, so it's Pancho and his wife. So, you know, the man does he alone?
Huh?
Your wife around the kitchen?
Yeah, man,
you know, a second, so you know, she'll marry, you're not with somebody else.
Alright.
Yeah? Like, we have to come on the side, come learn it.
We have planned to expand, so we have to employ.
Great, and make sure you calm on next time the Pancho when you expand, you know.
Alright.
Come here, when you lick, just like how I lick right in my business, you know. You understand? So the bigger you get, and the bigger me I get, we have to link up same way. Yes, man. So, like me say, you know, guys, you come right down here on Manin's Road.
Manin's Road.
54 Manin's Road. 54 Manin's Road.
Right next door to Super Valley Supermarket.
Great. So, when you come down with your friends and your family, man, just come link the great man Pancho. Not how early he is, man. Pancho there, wait for you, man. So just come in. Say if you go to the supermarket and your boy, you say you want some tea, some hot cup of tea and some probably egg and bread, or you get your little lunch set in same time too. You know, come and check Pancho. You understand?
Lunch from 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Yeah, so what's the prices like for your lunch in the morning?
For the morning breakfast and lunch are the same price. Start at $6.50 for the small burger box.
How much for that? $6.50?
$6.50, yeah. The coffin box now, at the curry goat box, is $7.50.
Nice.
Yeah, and the large one, $900.
Nice.
But you know, so that the pork, curry goat and oxtail is more expensive, but like any breakfast and chicken, that price.
Great. And at the bar settings, so come on to something now, I got to ask wife, you know. So I want to play like domino and them thing up here more time.
Yeah, man, I play domino on weekends, man.
Weekends?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so
I have a karaoke and them thing there.
Yeah, can I say look at ends when I run a little bar settings, like I take pictures?
Yeah, man.
Picture settings?
Yeah, picture
nice. Yes, guys, so come on, man, you know I'm find them. I tell you guys, I find them everywhere they are. Anywhere they are, I'm find them, you know, guys. So guess what I'm going? It's a beautiful entities where you can come down, come link Pancho. Yeah, man and wife. We're going to find out her name. Yeah, guys. So, you know, say the event is, but tell you already, say, we'll find them anywhere they are. Yeah, man and I just meet up Pancho. So when Pancho do the lunch settings on wrap them, so him cut the chicken, you know, and the pork and the, you know, what's up on the menu, you know, and the goat. Oh, a live goat?
Alright.
Yeah, a live goat are they good? yeah. Pancho say, boy, he cook it, but he can't kill it. Yes, Pancho, you ever kill a goat yet?
No, sir.
No. If you kill it, you don't eat it.
Nah,
You ever kill a fowl yet?
Fowl?
Yeah.
You kill a fowl already.
Oh, you eat it?
Yeah?
You eat it?
No, put pan fruit in.
Alright, so we'll be back, guys, with the great man Pancho. So we're going to make a see what I want outside. Yeah, guys, so, you know. Alright, bless up. Yep. Oh, yeah, man. So I'm going to have my breakfast right now. Yeah, man. Special thing I'm right now. Nice. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to get a dive right now, you know? Yeah, man. Wow. So this is the breakfast settings in the morning, guys. Yes, man. You get a good old dumpling, the yam, banana. Yeah, man. This right here is the oh, this is not banana, you know. It's the Irish potato. Yeah, so as I was saying now, if you don't prepare breakfast in the morning, you don't have to worry. But however early you come right here, I'm ready for you, Pancho, ready for you. And it's very affordable. Yeah, man, if you get $600, you get something, man. Don't worry yourself. If you don't $500, it's not kill you. Let's come down, man. Yeah, man. Great. Good old curry chicken. Nice. Background, you know, I'll come and see Pancho watching one of my videos. It's going on right now. So, watching one of my videos. Yeah, man. This is a boiled plantain. The boiled plantain is very good. Just one. So, you can fry the plantain, you can boil the plantain. Green and ripe, you know, you boil and fry. Nice. For like some people know when they come to the restaurant and want something to eat, some people say, boy, I don't want a banana, I don't want a yam, I just want a 7 dumpling. 7 dumpling. So this is dumpling. This is dumpling right here, guys. Yeah, man. Some man just want a 7 dumpling to eat. And a banana. Yeah, guys. So guys, I'm gonna stick around. Stick around for the lunch settings and let you see what's going on for the lunch. So this is the breakfast settings, guys, so you know so the lunch settings coming up. Great. So I'm gonna here. Man, I'm gonna watch how today go. I'm gonna watch the video down there in the background where I see Pancho watching, you know. Wow. Alright, so you can taste what it is. You know, that first one, give out the breakfast and then, you know, the lunch settings and you know, say, come back and so punch up. You understand? So, I'll go back. Great. Yeah, so I just consume my little breakfast and come and be doing more than thing nice, man. But you know, I come to ask Pancho some, you know, how long imagine business and all that thing there, you know. Yeah, Pancho, boy, the little breakfast nice a while ago. You know, I tell you, my breakfast nice. Well, you know, the pop bottom. You know, the pop bottom. Right, you don't call pop bottom, you don't call pop bottom. And a little dumpling on your pot there, way. But you will stick to the side. Yes, got about a customer coming in a while ago, man, the breakfast. So, Pancho, so long now you cook?
Just come out of high school.
Yeah?
Probably about 25 years.
25 years. So what on there? Somebody in your family used to cook or something? Mother, father?
Yeah, man, learn most of cooking around mother.
Oh.
You know, we used to go to the so with the food at the
Oh, yeah, so what on them? They're boss secret and all. They're going to boss him secret and all. So, because the man can cook, they can get that beautiful woman out of the way, you know. You say, one taste of the lunch one day, she say, yo, me not left.
Yeah,
Me not gonna wait.
Yeah.
So Pancho cook about 25 years. So wife you cook too?
Yeah, man, she cook too, man.
Wife you cook?
Yeah, man. So
Nice.
She in the kitchen when I'm in there.
Nice. So when you ever get up a man and say, boy, yo, I can't go to the kitchen in the dark, I feel hot, you know. You ever get up a man and feel with it?
Well, sometimes I feel it, you know, but true, no, say customers and clients, so we have to just come out.
Nice.
Yeah, man, sometimes I feel tired, man, but you know, so please the customers them, so we just fight and come out of bed and just
So hold on, Pancho. We never want to ask it, we still ask it. So what are your wife? Who should bad up on the kitchen? Who bad up on the kitchen? 2 equal. Alright. You know what, watch out. Big old pot, man. Yeah, man. Yo, you have
30 pounds of rice one time. 30
pounds of rice. Yo, no, I can't cook so much rice now. If I not 2 pounds, if I go over 2 pounds, I can't, it burn up. You have to know if you gauge it. You have a problem when you're just going to a big pot yet. Like when you just going to cook a big pot of rice.
Yeah, man, sometimes you get some rice, you know, kind of hard to cook, you know, so you have a problem, you know. Yeah, man.
Man, I know never have something wrong with me, man. I just know, say,
sometimes
something,
rice,
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. To cook, man, so you have to know you have to.
Yeah, man. So, right now, at the lunch session, I'm going on, so they're pan timing. They're pan timing, alright.
I have stew peas, cow foot and bean, we have jerk chicken, we have fried chicken.
So everything that's on the menu board out there.
Yeah, man.
Fried chicken. So,
so
Pancho, I've been more cut off
the jerk and everything there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, taste bud there with this. If you want one chicken to clean up or cut up, taste bud bad pan it, man. Yeah, man, bad pan it, man. Me know to take out the feather. Just playing, guys. The chicken done ready, man. Ready. CB chicken. Yeah, man. So there's a difference between CB and best dress. Because you know, some people talk about them don't want a CB and they don't want a best dress. What the difference? Can you hear the chef? Talk to me.
Why with the two of them?
They're the same thing. What the difference?
No difference.
You hear people that say, what kind of chicken you cook to the best dress? I'm going to say, yeah, I don't want it. CB meat. CB and best dress chicken. I don't know. Yeah, but it's just like patty. You know, I promote the patty, but you know, yeah, patty. You have, you know, one outlet there and an outlet there, and I say, oh, no, say, if another outlet, I'm not going to patty do the same thing, man. Yes, man. Alright, well, they were the great one, Pancho. So we're going to stick around with Pancho and Panto are doing thing. You understand? So I'm going to go back over the bar settings, Pancho and me alone, but me play them now by myself.
Transfer the peas and everything in this.
Nice.
And then season it up.
Nice.
Yeah, sometimes you put everything in the pot one time.
It too much.
It kind of take too long for you, understand? So we let this boil up first and then we'll transfer it into this.
Well, I know Pancho have him timing, and I'm here to time Pancho as well for so quick him done the breakfast. Cause the man not disappoint them customer, you know. Yeah, man. And later I left the number in the description so you can call Pancho and make your order. You know. So all on the Pancho, you do like done to order anything?
Yeah, man, we do done to order.
Yeah.
We do delivery.
Delivery?
Yeah, man, we do catering.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Nice. So you have a drive and thing?
Yeah, man, we drive and thing, man. Catering, man. Number 461-7305.
So what again, Pancho?
461-7305.
And that's Pancho.
Pancho.
Great,
yeah,
Pancho, man. So anything you want, just call Pancho and say, yo, send it come at my office.
Yeah, man.
Send it come at there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Pancho, deal with the thing,
yeah, man. Curve, oxtail, anything.
Great. Nice. Alright, Pancho. So we come back with you again later on.
Alright.
And look at shy wife out here. Watch her. Watch her. Shy. See her there? She's shy. She said she's not gonna talk to me. I'm gonna go over the bar and talk to myself. So we're gonna go over the bar and talk to myself. Yeah, man. Said at the bar you have the orange juice, Malta, and all type of thing over there. So yeah, man. I all all of the drink and now want to shop all ice cream, you know. Yes, man. Shop all ice cream. Great. Have ice cream. And them have them look a beautiful table right over here. You play a domino and all with your friends and all them thing there. You man have beautiful art on the work on the wall. Look at the artwork on the wall. Wow. Nice. Yeah, so I think I need to ask them if they also do events in here. And over there you have the little picture settings as well, you know. Little picture settings there over here. Come take a little picture. Right over here. Yeah, man. Great. Nice.
So this now, the rice and peas, they are seasonal.
Oh.
So I have me garlic, everything in the
Nice.
scallion.
Yes, so that's the peas. The peas in night.
Yeah, peas in night.
So you pressure the peas?
Yeah, man, the peas, you soak the peas from overnight. You know.
Nice.
And they will just cook it down.
Oh, soak from overnight?
Yeah, man, so this is the coconut milk and everything in night now.
Great.
So already this boil long now, we transfer it to that pot, you know.
Oh.
You understand?
Seen.
So.
You transfer it in this big pot?
Yeah, this big pot.
Oh.
So more time, it kind of time consuming for this big pot take too long for boil, you understand?
Oh.
So we would do put some water in this, make it go on.
And I see where you cook it on the coal. So when you cook it on the coal now, you get less burn or what?
Yeah, man, you get less burn.
Yeah.
Some people say when you cook on the coal, it tastes
better. Nice. Yeah, man, a lot of person like the coal cooking and the wood fire cooking and the stove cooking. Got different tastes, you know. Yeah, man, I really think different tastes, man.
So when rice and peas are cooked now, them time the coal kind of simmer down now. Just stay up on the fire and just...
So Pancho, you taste your peas, like you put a one piece in and test it.
Yeah, man.
I know it's ready and thing.
I know it's ready, man. Everything have to do with time, you know.
Timing.
So we must you see them?
Yeah. I want to test one of the peas. I put one in the honey and the Pancho.
Alright.
Yeah, I put the peas at the other one. Like, just want to see. Wow, go on for the peas. Yeah, but peas and call them the red, what is it? Roan red.
Yeah.
So that roan red is?
Yeah, man, roan red.
Peas, how do you watch it peas? Pancho, yeah, joke, man. Peas soft and peas soft. Pancho, peas ready, man.
Alright,
so I try to make Pancho herb and cook. But Pancho no do, man. Pancho no do. But for real, man, the peas ready.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah, man, peas ready, man. So you just have to pan a pot.
Yeah, man, for this pot, yeah, man, Pancho. Transfer it.
Yeah.
And then put in the rice right away.
Yeah, man. Boy, the peas like that like it can turn on a soup pot. Yeah, man, it's bad, man. Yeah, man, and the great season pack man over here. Cut it up,
some steamed veg.
Got a pop chow.
Pop chow and carrot.
Nice.
And carrot.
You know them say about I want to talk enough. You know them say about I want to talk enough. She not talk nothing about she smile though. Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So Pancho, what you say you know bring a little youngster in the kitchen to come learn the trade?
Yeah, man. Some of them youngsters.
Yeah.
Some of them will try with them, but more time say they work too hard.
No.
And them nowadays youth and them like harder.
Boy, I hear that in the holy back kitchen.
Yeah, they not.
I hear that in the holy back kitchen. They don't want it.
Yeah, they don't want to sweat.
Yeah, they don't want to sweat. They just want to serve. I'm going to cash register. Alright, we have the great Pancho, so we soon come in and we're going to see where we're going again. Nice.
Yeah, pot season, so this is ready for the rice now. Wash your rice and put in the rice now this now.
Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Alright, this is famous jerk chicken now.
Nice. And the sauce. Right. So the secret sauce, that's enough.
Alright. See it there?
Yeah, man. Oh, what are you building sauce?
No.
Oh.
We have a jerk marinade sauce.
Oh, so that's a jerk marinade sauce.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright?
Nice.
Just want the jerk seasoning.
Nice. That's a jerk seasoning.
Yeah.
Yes.
A little black pepper.
Ah.
Alright. So just mixing that now.
Do you like when you do the flour?
Yeah, man. Mix it, man.
Storyteen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Marinade.
Nice, nice.
Soaking it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So earlier you said, boy, you're going to expand the thing and thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to be same place here or what? Different location?
No, man.
Same place right here.
We have to expand to on the balcony so you can sit down and
oh, you can sit down and watch the car and bust them pass and thing.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, man, and like years out there with your girlfriend and everything, they play two dominoes. Just the same. Just the same. Yes, man. So the name going to be the same, or you going to name Pancho and Wife? What's your name? Panchos and Wife. Yeah, because the two in the kitchen stuff make them do it. Two in one, because what's going up on my thing is Pancho and Wife. So the world is seeing this right now. Yes, man. You have a beautiful wife in the kitchen. I like to see the wife in the kitchen with the husband. You know? Yeah, man. You get that little thing there and the people them love see them thing there, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Great. Great, great, great.
Yeah,
see there? Beautiful.
Yeah, man.
Well, that can eat right now?
Well marinated. Ready to go.
Real marinated.
Ready to go up on the grill now.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Look good, man. Like I want to eat it right now off of the table right there, so now, you know? Alright, guys. Check it out. Beautiful. See that? Chicken. Yeah. And where you say again today? You have fish, goat. You have fish too?
Now we have stewed peas.
Stewed peas.
And cold food and beans.
Nice. Cold food.
Cold food and beans.
Oh, cold food.
Fried
So,
chicken.
Pancho, I never asked you earlier, did you do natural juice and stuff there?
Natural juice?
When you talk about going to a bar, because wife kind of shy out today, you know?
No, we're not start, you know.
You're not start yet?
When we get some help and employ,
Cool.
we'll do some natural juice.
And that will be in another year or next year?
Yeah, probably next year, early next year.
Alright, cool, cool. Business and room, I don't know that Pancho. But indeed. I still love your head seeing you nevertheless. Yeah, man, looks very attractive. Yeah, especially the bar setting. I don't know why wife don't want to come talk about the bar, you know, because I tell you, say, you know, I don't want to promote the drinking, because you have some man love come drink and drive, and I want to promote that. Yeah. Promote the drink and drive, but we promote the kitchen with the eatings. Yeah, yes, man. So, but I'm not wrong if you don't come talk about the drinking, so I'm not wrong her, not wrong her. Yes, man. So, you can see now I'm going to fry this chicken. You know. Yeah, because I asked the great chef a while ago, is this a nickname Pancho? Got me like one nickname, you know. But I can't give one to the car right now. I'm going to find out if it's a nickname or a real name. Pancho is a real name or a nickname?
No, man, it's a nickname from school, man.
Why? Why Pancho? Oh, well then, one name Pancho.
A friend give me a name, you know. That was a Mexican name, you know. So.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yes, man. That means I say no, the name is someone far out.
Yeah,
Pancho. Yes, man. Anyway, a great name. Yeah, man. Supposed to give you that one day in the kitchen, Pancho.
Alright.
If him bad like you, if him bad like him, can't get the name. No, him can't get the name. You copyright the name?
Yeah?
You copyright the name?
Copyright? Yeah, copyright, man.
No, man, we can't get him name. Can't get him name. Can't get him name. One and only Pancho.
One and only. Yeah.
One and only. So hold on, the wife have a name too?
Huh?
Mrs. Pancho. Nice.
Mrs. Pancho.
Great. Less than oh, wow.
Stew peas I get right now.
Alright.
Yeah. So these are the beef and the peas. So I put in the pigtail now. Put in the pigtail.
Yes, sir.
Some good old pigtail are going in the pot right now. Beautiful.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Season it up now with the coconut milk and the seasoning.
Yeah. They said the coconut milk and the seasoning.
Man, the coconut milk and the brown seasoning are going there now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the beef and the pigtail and the peas. Season it now, make it go off it now.
Nice.
Alright. Use some of the
Oh, that punch from me, are you?
I use some of the Kendall in there.
Alright, we could talk about that.
Yeah, man.
We could talk about that.
Use some of the Kendall in there.
So the good old Kendall coconut powder.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Which one of them same loving about him, I say some love Maggie too, you know.
Yeah, no, I love Maggie too, man. I have the Maggie too, you know.
Oh, you have the Maggie too?
Yeah,
oh,
Maggie.
but today, Kendall Day.
Today, Kendall Day.
Kendall Day today. Yeah, man. So everybody have a special day.
Yeah.
Alright, got pass him up there. Yeah, look at that thing, man.
Every pot different, you know. That had a pork pot in it.
Oh, this is the pork pot?
Yeah, this now I curry goat pot.
Oh, so the chef is saying, boy, I'm a pot for everything. You have the pork pot.
Yeah, the curry
goat pot.
Yeah.
You also have the chicken pot.
Yeah, the chicken pot.
Oh yes, sir. Why is that? Is that a thing? Why? Might bring out the taste?
Oh, just a thing that.
Yeah. You're a chef,
some people eat pork, so we have to
mix the pot.
Mix the pot and the spoon.
Oh,
you understand?
nice.
Separate things.
Great. Which is right. Yeah, man. Cause you never know if it can have a taste of a pork, like if the man is sensitive to certain things, or taste but turn up like mine. Man say, yo, this tastes like pork, none of pot, man. Nice. So you have a pot of them different. Nice. Alright, guys, so we'll come back and see when the pork simmering ready for heat, ready to consume. Yes. Yeah, man. And like I say, I'm very hot inside of the kitchen, but when I come out here, I'm very cool. Why? I'm upstairs. Yes, man. This is upstairs, and you can see people downstairs. See, I lay down there, clean up on them. Yes, man, yes. Yeah, man, guys, so we are upstairs. So you got that breeze coming inside. Yeah, man, you don't need a fan, man. So I'm a fan. You need a fan. You don't get breeze up here, man. Yeah, man. Great rice and peas. Nice.
I just cover him up there, I can steam now.
Nice. So that make it swell.
Yeah, and steam, so that means
so you know normally like dig it up and stir it
dig it up already, man.
Oh, see.
But this now I just make it steam out now.
Nice.
Instead of 1 and 2 tough grain at the bottom.
Yeah. So you cover it though with the cover. Roll it down. Nice.
By the next 15 minutes, that right.
I hit that. Wow. Yeah. You see, it's on time. Nah, disappoint the customer at all. Oh, you just put on the oil to hot.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
I see it. Stew peas.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great stew peas.
Only thing left to go
you know what?
now.
I can taste that gravy there. I want to taste that gravy there in the hand there, you see me. I want to burn me up, you know. See, I want a little pepper down there. We have taste the pot in me, I cook too, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, so we have taste the pot. Oh, yeah, man. Wow.
Guys, yeah, man.
A piece of pepper get wet.
Yeah.
Like a taste of pepper seed.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, bad man.
Yeah.
Well, the throat clear.
Yeah, man.
Throat clear.
Yeah.
Why not finish it and it's so bad? So nice. So we have the hot aisle. So what this I want to know?
Pasta.
Oh, the pasta getting ready over here.
Pasta me line.
Ah, the pasta. Nice. Oh, so you know want rice and peas, get them white rice.
Yeah, the stew peas.
So let me ask you a question. So like we have done the breakfast settings and we know the lunch settings. You know people still come for lunch and want ground provision like dumpling same way. You have that for them same way or
sometimes we do it sometime when you leave over.
Oh, they leave over?
Yeah, but
but most of the time I just rice and peas and white rice and more.
Yeah.
Oh, get it, clear. Nice.
Clear vibes.
Yeah, man. So it's at the steam veg. We go back on the steam veg over here, Pancho. Go back on the steam veg over here.
Yeah, man.
So these are the great old steam veg. Yeah, and the pasta again over here.
Pasta.
Nice. Beautiful settings. Also a piece of butter on top.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, man. Chiffon. Whole seal butter.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so we'll catch a finishing touch. I want to write this up. Nice. Sorry, never have some Kendall seasoning too, but the Maggi seasoning I use, yeah. But what's the great old Kendall powder already, man? Know yourself. Yes, man. Him say like the Kendall powder also, you know, the Kendall powder you put on your rice and peas, it not really spoil that easily. Like some of them have in the preservative. Yeah, Kendall have none of that. Kendall have straight Kendall, the straight coconut powder. Yeah, man. Nothing artificial with that Kendall, let me say, yeah. Which I can be attested to that too. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Try the Kendall one, man. It's bad. Yeah. Try the Kendall one.
Steam go down now, just store it.
Store it up. Yeah. Alright. So by 12 o'clock you're ready?
Yeah, man.
Ready to go. Everything ready by 12. Alright. So call that the spinners. Yeah, man, people need a sweetness like the spinners. Yeah, so you know, without the spinners more time, you understand the spinners in your stew peas. You say, yo, warm to the spinners. You know, cause a lot of person always look forward to their spinners in the soup. It's a traditional thing, man, from a long time, you know. So when you're making your stew peas, you also have to have a little spinners in it. Yeah, man, yeah. You know, roll up flour them, you know, roll it up and make like the stew in a pot and thing. So that's what I call the spinners. Yes, guys. So that's what I say. You soon see the finishing touch of this stew peas. Like it ready already, you know, but you don't know the spinners that to cook and then I eat that, you know. So chef is on time. Yeah, man, all on time going on right here. Yeah, man. And you can see Pancho over here cutting up carrot.
Yo!
Yeah, man. Nice carrot and thing. Get quite a few phone call already, you know. People putting them hard, you know, because they know food move fast at this end, you know. So a lot of person been calling them already. Man, I shout out and I say, Pancho, remember me, you know. Don't want the food to finish on them. Yeah, guys, so we're in the kitchen with the chefs, them, man. Yes. Everybody moving very busy. Yeah, man. This is a good old cow foot right in here. Nice. Good old cow foot. Yeah. Cow foot moving. And over here the gravy. This is the gravy for the chicken.
Yeah.
The jerk chicken. Yeah. So you prepare the fried chicken too?
Yeah, man. Chicken and fries.
Nice. And this is the last piece of the spinners. Yes, man, the last piece of the spinners. Great.
Cow foot ready. Stew peas ready.
Lunch is ready. So the customer, they are pouring in right now. So the lunch is ready. Yes, man. So you know, so the man put on a cold stove and on a cold fire and boy it move fast like in the on a stove. You know, all those man the food are on the stove, but the rice and peas is finished. Yeah, man, the big old pepper rice and peas right here, so it's finished already. And you can see the fried chicken over there, and also you have jerk chicken inside of here. Yeah, man. So for a small food like that, Pancho, how much would that be?
Chicken are 600, stew
600.
peas, cow foot are 650.
So chicken is 600 and the cow peas and cow foot is 700 and have the large food, you know, so different prices inside here, you know. So over here so we have a chicken right here ready. Chicken right here, frying. Good to go, guys. So I mean, it is on time. And the pasta over here, it's a good old pasta right here. You know, a lot of person like to come and say they want pasta, you know. So most of the time people want pasta, right? Yeah, man. Most of the time people want pasta. When me go places more pasta too, you know, full up my belly, you know, okay, but I really want the vegetable, but when I eat the pasta, no, I'm more belly full. More belly full. Yeah, man. So you can see the pasta right there. Yeah, man. And the cow food ready already.
Yeah, man.
Great. Everything ready, man. So I'm on time. On time. And then you have a great jerk chicken right there. Yeah, man. So much for a call like that.
Eh?
How much for that?
This I go serve a two. This can serve a two 650.
2,650. Nice. So the price is very reasonable out here, guys. Yeah, man. Pancho said them thing them very reasonable, man. Yeah, man. So it's a good old jerk chicken right here. Wow. Ready. Yes, man. Ready. Wow, and the soup is right here. Ready to go. Yes, man. So some people come here for the stew peas. Boy, I guess if I taste a stew peas, I have to come back like the rest of people, you know, because every time them taste the stew peas and come back, they come back. Yeah, man, so, you know, you must study with the stew peas. But what time I eat today, you know, so they have to come back and it looks so delicious. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so the time is very busy right now, so I cannot get to talk to the chef right now, guys, so you know, I have to wait until the place kind of subside a little bit so we can get to reason with him and ask him certain question again, you know. So it's very busy for him right now in the kitchen. Yeah, man, I wish I could have helped him and share some food right now. Yeah, man, so a lot of person here coming asking for fried chicken. You know, that is the #1 thing in Jamaica when you go to restaurant for lunch is fried chicken and rice and peas. And you know, say every Sunday we eat rice and peas, but I want, you know, say people eat rice and peas right through the week. Yeah, man, but I don't know the difference. You know, say on a Sunday, kind of look a bit. When you're there, yeah, then I eat rice and peas. It's different when you go up on the road. But we eat rice and peas right through, and chicken. Yeah, man. So anything can come after it is like a little bonus. Yeah, man. So, but yes. So Pancho, so when are your most busy time? Like I said, boy, sweat a wash you wish you could get the help. When is the most busy time?
Fridays and Saturday.
Friday and Saturday.
Yeah.
Friday and Saturday is Pancho busy time in the kitchen. We wish him could have about 4 in my work. Yeah, man, those are the time where you say, boy, you wish him could have get some help in the kitchen. Him have the help in him, but I mean, you know, it could have been for him. That's a busy time, because right now, this is Saturday, and this morning was a bit busy, and now I can see the crowd are rolling right now. Yeah, man, so in other words, what he's saying now, you have to put in your harder, because you were done. If you don't put in your early, you know, food gonna left you. Yes, man. So nice food right there. Nice food setting right there. Great. Yeah, man. So over here is the chicken frying right there. Nice. And he also say he do fries in the evening. You know, take them up to 6, 7 o'clock. You can call and ask for fries. You get your fries and chicken. You know, that beautiful fries there. Where you go KFC and buy your chicken, you get fries with it. Yeah, you can order your fries right here also. And get your beautiful fried chicken. Yes, man. And like him work, you know, after breakfast finish, him start the lunch already, so he meet the 12 o'clock hour. And that is the lunchtime hour. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, so you know Dave and Taste Bud is here, and this is the lunchtime settings right now. So like I said, I was here from morning, and then you can see the breakfast settings. So now this is the lunch settings. Yes, a lot of people is pouring in right now, guys, and check it out, guys. Wow, beautiful food right here, guys. Watch here. Wow. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to take a dive right now and make you guys see what I'm having. So I'm having the jerk chicken, I am having the cow foot, you know, and also fried chicken. Yes, guys, so I'm going to let you see what I'm really having today and make you know it tastes. So like I said, right, that's Punch Up Restaurant on Mannings Road. Yeah, guys, you just come up here, you cannot miss, because I'll already show you the road outside. Yes, so when you come to like supermarket and you feel like you want something to eat, you know, you want some breakfast, no matter how early you come to the store and you want some breakfast, you just come back out and then you find the good old Punch Up Restaurant. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna take a dive now, guys, so you can see what's going on right here. Hot and steamy. Yeah, guys, so just guys, the pork is very good. Very good. This is the pork right here. Nice. Beautiful. Yes, guys. Whoa. Very soft and tender. Beautiful. Yeah, guys. I was telling you earlier about the spinners into the stew peas. This is spinners. So there is no spinners in the stew peas, and the stew peas that. Yeah, man. You have to have the spinners in your stew peas. Yeah, man. Great. I like the stew peas. So, punch a little at the time and all that stew peas up. So, you know, I have to come back. I have to come back. Yeah, man. Great. Nice, guys. Like I said, guys, live in taste bud, find them wherever they are. In any corner, roadside, kitchen, I find them. So anywhere you find this hot spot on this place where you find the beautiful food, I find them. Yeah, guys, so like I said, like, share and subscribe, and we'll meet again. Pick up on yourself. Yeah, man.